Recorded is rolling. It is Thursday, May 15th. I think today would be a really good study and makeup day. You guys know for about the last week, we've been putting together those quantum journals. A lot of you guys turned this in already, but for lots of reasons, there's been lots of AP testing going on, for example. Some guys might miss a day here or there. So if you're missing like 4 or 5 quadrants, today would be a really good day to pull up your laptop. You guys know, of course, I upload all the class videos to Google Classroom. You can access those there. And finish the journals if you need to finish the journal, or really anything. Guys, check this class, check all your other classes, check focus, make sure you have everything in. There's nothing that's not turned in. Also while I'm at it here, keep showing this every day. So laptops, be thinking about turning those in pretty soon because we're down near the end of the year. Seniors, they want your laptops by tomorrow, and everybody else, they want your laptops by Wednesday, 5/28, which is the last day to for everybody else. You can turn your laptop into any teacher. I have a barcode scanner right over here. I'll scan it, get in the system. Also turn in your charger. So I'll check a box that says you have to turn your charger, and I'll put it in that really cart right over there. So yeah, already starting to get one or two laptops already. Right? Right, so got all that. Plan tomorrow is outside day. Can you guys dress to go outside tomorrow? So I have some bottle rockets, I have a launcher, a bunch of 2 liters will fill with water and then blast some bottle rockets. So that'd be fun. And then have a little spare time to run around outside. And then it's going to be a few days until final exam schedule. So let's take another look at final exam schedule. All right, so guys, what's your very first final exam? Yeah, seventh period, and that's on Thursday. So 1 week from now, you start with your seventh period. You'll do your final exam there. And then all your other classes you'll go to, but they'll be shortened, like 33 minutes each, right? Oh, and your lunch is going to be with your third period class, right? So maybe check with your third period teacher next few days, make sure you know what lunch, right? Like I know I have C lunch, so my third period class is going to C lunch, right? So that. All right. And then Friday, you're only going to classes 6 and 5. Right, then 3-day weekend because we've got a holiday. And then Tuesday is 4 and 3. Wednesday, the 28th, is period 2 and 1, and that will be a wrap on the year. That's coming up real soon. And so, other than that, we just got this coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We got 3 days. So, do you guys see back on that lab table? There's a bunch of cardstock templates right there. Right? And then there's a stack of foam boards. I got some glue over there, some scissors over there, just pointing around there. Right? So, I got all these materials. Oh, and there's also a bag of marbles. So, I'll give you guys a few days to put together a paper roller coaster. Show you guys some ideas here. Let's start with the big one. Right. So this one is kind of abnormally large, but let's get the idea. So it's gonna roll some marbles down. Right. So you guys saw him roll a marble. Right. Went down the chute. So I see some straight tracks there. I think he rolls a few. I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit. Right. I see a bunch of straight tracks kind of winding around. It looks like they got a little longer, a little longer. Okay. Now, you're gonna see different types. Oh, I see some curvy there. Right. You guys see like a tight turn. Right. And then somewhere else you'll see a curve. Oh, I see this orange piece here. It looks like a curve with a larger radius, right? This looks like a wide turn, right? I see this blue looking piece looks like more like a vertical loop. Actually, that is a full vertical loop, isn't it? Now I'm looking at it. It's a blue vertical loop, right? Like the vertical loop in a roller coaster. Oh, there's a funnel. That's a fun looking piece. And you can see some markings on here. So the general rule is that if you cut the solid line on the template, and you fold along any dashed line. That's the general rule. There's a couple of examples, so I'll probably show you guys that next week too. Oh, look, you can split, you can merge, right? Split and merge, right? Look at that. This marble's rolling down, right? I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit here because this goes on a while, right? Now this one is really, really tall. Hey, you have to walk up like a whole staircase. Yeah, built right next to the staircase. Get these going, right? And I think it ends on the funnel right here. Close, right? Okay, so that's like a really good one put together. Guys, while we're looking at the bottom, because there's the very bottom. Now you see these white columns here. Now there's columns and beams to provide a structure, right, that you can then hang the track around. Okay? But you've done a number of paper glue projects in here. Guys, what glues better, an edge to a surface or a surface to a surface? Surface to surface. Do you guys see at the bottom of the column here? You can cut some feet, and then you get, with these feet, you have a nice surface to surface connection. So that when you have glue, that's what I'm going to give you. So, so no tape for this project, but glue, lots of glue. Right, and then let's look at another example here. So here, I think this is somebody's classroom. Got a bunch of classroom type projects. So, what would be more reasonable for high school? Been doing this project many years, and some of your students really, really get into this and build some really nice looking projects. Right, so here, skip through a little bit. Ooh, actually, this was a pretty good look one here. That's probably about as reasonably good as it might get for like a 3-day high school project, something like that. Okay. Right, you guys see columns, beams for the structure. Right, you guys see track, all different things going on with the track. There's straight parts of the track. There's turns. There's a wide turn and a sharp turn. Right, which you guys saw earlier. Right, there's funnel pieces. There's vertical loops. Sure, I'm forgetting a couple, but those are the main pieces you'll see. Oh, yeah, you can do different creative stuff with that right there. Different creative stuff. All right, look at that. Ooh, kind of Dr. Seuss looking ones right here. All right, so making sure your imagination going. You guys got a few days to think about putting this together. What kind of roller coaster you want to design with your friends, and yeah, so that'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday adventure. But yeah, today make best use of your time. Check focus for all your classes. Make sure you got everything in, and yeah, make up any work you need to make up. Oh, also in the back of the room, of course, I have a library of books for you guys. I got board games, so you guys got access to those too.